everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the zodiac sign Capricorns for the month of July 2021. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. Okay, 3 cards for career, 3 cards for relationship. It's a situationship reading. Okay, let's see what's going on with Capricorns. Okay, Capricorns. Wow, beautiful energy for the month of July. Wow, beautiful. Something good after so long in someone's reading. This is beautiful, Capricorns. Okay. Wow. Okay, so Capricorns, you are having a new beginning in your career. Okay, you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your new business, new career, new job, new opportunities waiting for you in the month of July, Capricorns, for you, especially in the first 10 days of July. You are gaining a lot of clarity related to the people around you and situations around you. Okay, you are going to be very practical. At the same time, there will be, I would suggest you, if you are taking decisions from your heart, please don't take your decisions from your head, Capricorns. Okay, in the month of July, at least when it comes to your decision making related to your let's say career life. Okay, when it comes to your relationship, do not trust your I can see that you are not trusting your intuition level a lot. Okay, there's a confusion going on between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Okay, and you're not trusting your intuition level. You're not spending time with yourself, but you are focusing or trusting the people outside, who are outside, or who are you're trusting other people's. Okay, there's a third party interference happening into your situation, in your relationship might be, or else your partner if you are already in separation with your partner, then they might want to partner up with you, or you might need to build a foundation again with them. Okay, and there's a third party interference, okay, into your situation or into your relationship, Capricorns. Okay, now it might be your in-laws, your parents, your third person, it can be anyone, but third party interference is definitely there. There's a major instability going on when it comes to your relationship life. Okay, due to this third party interference. Okay, so yes, relationship is not looking so good, but career life is looking good, because there is a new beginning happening in the month of July when it comes to your relationship front. When it comes to your career front, new beginning, new opportunities, new offers are waiting for you in the month of July for you. Okay, so yeah, that's really cool. Let's see what's the life purpose of it. What's the life purpose? Life purpose, you are on the right path, Capricorns. That's really cool. You might be into spirituality as well, or trusting healing classes, sessions, might be taking healing or Reiki sessions or something like that, or you might become a spiritual teacher afterwards, or you might be a counselor. You heal with kind words, wise advice, and empathic ears. Okay, so you might become a counselor as well. Trust your feelings and dreams to guide your career path. Whatever your career you are choosing, Capricorns, you need to trust your feelings and desires and dreams. Okay, practice, polish your skills by practicing regularly. That is really cool, guys. Okay, you might spend time with flowers, working with flowers. Open your heart and bring blessings to others through your life purpose. Whatever your you have, like, spend time with flowers, spend time with nature. That will really heal you in a positive and a better way. Okay, so yes guys, Capricorns, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care.